Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to set a smart lock on your Android device. For this you have to go to lock screen. After that you have to go to smart lock. After you enable smart lock on your Android device, your handset will be lock and unlock by your body gesture and body detection. As you can see in the video, if you turn on body detection lock and unlock, it will unlock your device. Even someone else if touches your handset, then it will also turn on. If you keep your device to yourself, then you can turn on this option, otherwise it is not safe. Moreover, you can set trusted places like you can set specific location for your handset to automatically unlock, so that you don't have to unlock your device when you reach your specific location. Moreover, you can set a trusted device which may be connected to your handset by Bluetooth, like a smartwatch which is nearby you and it is connected. Then your handset will be automatically unlocked when it is connected to your smartwatch, as you can see in the video. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.